Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over a really quick lesson in DWG TrueView, and we are going to learn how to print out your drawing that was sent to you, or you either have one in an AutoCAD DWG file. This is going to be a pretty quick lesson, and we are only going to print out of the model space. We are not going to use any predefined templates to print out on. We are just going to focus on what is in the model space for a quick print. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. If you like the video, give it a like down below. If you think someone else could find this video helpful, give it a share. And if you want to see anything else done in TrueView or AutoCAD, leave it in the comments section below. All right, so for this example, we're going to use the Warehouse Design Series picture. And again, this is just an example of how to print something out very quick. So we're going to stay in the model space. And the first thing we're going to do is come up to the ribbon up here, and we're going to go underneath the output box and left click on plot. Now once you left click on plot, it's going to bring up this batch plot notice, and it's going to say you have a couple different options or a couple different sheets you can print out. We're just going to go to continue to plot a single sheet because again we want to print this out as quick as possible. And you're going to get this plot model dialog box, and this is going to give you all the options for printing. Now again, we want to do this quickly, so we're not going to set up a page, which is the top option, but we do want to make sure we have the correct printer. So you'll need your printer driver installed or whatever printer you're using. I don't have a printer available to me right now, but we're going to just click the Microsoft Publisher Color printer. This should give you a good example of how this will look. The next thing you'll see down below is the paper size, which is letter. We'll just keep it at that. And then you can change the number of copies right here. We just want one copy. Now, the first thing we're going to notice that's really important is this what to plot area, and this is what specifically you're going to plot. So for example, we have the preview. If it's the display, we're going to preview that. And as you can see here, it is this tiny little version because it's what we're displaying in the screen right now. It is physically taking your current display and saying we're going to print that. Now we're going to escape out of there. And the next version you're going to go down to is we're going to go to Extents. With Extents, it gets you a little bit of a different view. We're going to preview that to show you what that looks like. With Extents, it's giving you this more dialed in version, but this is something that you can play around with. If you like this version, you're good, you print it. But the other version that I really like, or the other plot area style that I like, is the window area. So when you click on window, you will then have the option to take your cursor, you're going to left click, and then you come down to window, and then you can click, or you can kind of select the entire thing. Now we're going to escape out of there. To reselect your window, you just click it again, and it'll have you come up to your original window, and then you can reselect it to something different. Now, where this gets important is if I want to come in and dial my drawing in more to a specific area, I can come into the break room right here and make that the window. We're going to click that. If you preview that now, again, now you just have that dialed in area that you can print out. We're going to escape. We're going to zoom back out, do the whole thing. There we go. Now the next thing I want to show you is the center to plot right here, so we can click that. When you center it to the plot, you'll notice on this little diagram that it's centered the picture to the plot. You want to fit to paper, or you can customize it. For me, I always just fit to paper. Again, we're doing this quick and dirty. It's very, very simple to print out. And the last thing I want to show you is this plot options box. So I typically don't really like to select any of these. I don't like to plot the object line weights. Sometimes you will need to. We've had it called out before that it can be important. For me, typically, if someone's handing me a drawing, they probably didn't kind of create the line weights like I would like. So I typically don't plot the line weights. It usually makes for a less confusing drawing. And then plot with plot styles is fine. You can also change it down here to portrait or landscape. And then you have the plot style table. We're not going to focus on that, or the shaded viewport options. Again, this is quick and dirty. So once you've done all of that, then you can preview it. We will preview this right here. And again, you have your drawing without the plot line weights, and you have it centered in the drawing. Now, once you escape there, again, pressing the escape button will get you out of that viewport. You click OK, and it will print the drawing. Now we're going to cancel because that's not attached to a printer. But again, that is how you print super quickly and super easily. All right, so that's going to wrap up the video here. Again, meant to be super easy, super quick. We just want to learn how to print stuff in the model space. This is more or less a video for people who don't use AutoCAD and just get maybe a file sent to them and want to print it out really quickly for visual purposes. Not really meant to be too confusing here. With that being said, I want to thank everyone for the support. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you want to see anything else done in DWG TrueView, leave it in the comments section below. And if you like the video, give it a like. Thank you all for the support, and I will see you in the next one.